Hi friends, today's class is floral sleeves and blouse sleeves. Take a paper, fold it in half and draw a left rough margin on the above side. Now with the help of the measurement tape, take the length as 16 inches and width as, draw the rough margin first and on that margin note down the width as 8.5 inches. Now do the same at the above margin. Take the width as 8.5 inches and mark the point. Now connect these 2 points with each other. Mark a point at 2 inches on the width, bottom width, from where we have to take the curve. You will understand it later why we are taking this. Now take the side cutting as 3.5 inches, armhole as 6.5 inches for stitching, for cutting, and for stitching you have to take 5.5 inches. And the width is 8.5. Side cutting as 3 inches. Now let's draw a curve. First margin, connect it. Draw the armhole curve from the 2 inches point. That's why we made the 2 inches mark, so we can make the curve easily. And you have to make the one more curve above or below, but the difference between these two curves should be minimum 0.5 inches. I'm not measuring it, but to get the appropriate measurements you should measure and cut down. Now mark the bottom curve. Connect the curve line to the width line at half distance of width. Just see that. Now make the one more curve, connecting the bottom curve to the armhole, starting from the armhole. Just see that the curve shape, you have to do the same. You can make the curve according to you, but it shouldn't be more bended. If there is a slight difference in your curves, then not all a problem. Armhole 6.5 inches. For stitching it is 5.5 inches because we will be cutting 1 inches extra. So for stitching, take the armhole length as 5.5 inches, and you have to make the same markings around it. which can help you to stitch in a perfect way. 1 inch, the difference should be the 1 inch. Width is equals to 8.5, length is equals to 16, side cuttings 3.5, one more side cutting is 3, this is 3. Now let's do the cutting. Cut the measurement on the line of cutting line. Now cut the second curve. Here we go. Now let's do the blouse sleeve. Simple blouse sleeve. Here you have to take the length as 8 inches. Take the length as 8 inches. And the width as 12.5 inches. Margin all over this measurements. Now take the armhole as 5 inches and side cutting as 3 inches. Sleeve bottom, connect this with sleeve bottom is 7.5 inches. First margin the middle. Now take the bottom as 7.5 inches and sleeve width is actually 11.5 inches for stitching, but we took the width as 12.5 inches, which is for the cutting purpose, but
well, we will be doing the stitching on 11 inches or 11.5 inches. You can take it appropriately according to you. You can make the distance between the stitching and the cutting line, it's 1 inch or 1.5 inch according to you. So here we go. I took the distance of 1.5 inches, so it's up to you. You can also take the 1.5 inches difference between the cutting and stitching line. Now this is for the cutting and this is for the stitching. Here we go. Just wrote down the measurements: 5 inches, 11 inches, 12.5 inches, 3 inches, 15 inches, 1.5 inches, 7.5 inches, now join the bottom. Now make curves, one first curve and the second curve. You have to make the armhole curve from the point of stitching to the point of 5 inches. Yes, here I have made the two curves. The difference between the two curves should be 0.5 inches. Whatever slits you made, the difference should you make to 0.5 inches. So remember this point. Now let's do the cutting. And the cutting should also be the same in all the cases of the sleeves. You have to first cut the first sleeve and then go for the second sleeve, front sleeve and back sleeve. So now you are cutting the front sleeve. In the front sleeve you don't need to cut front or back, you need to cut both the front and back paper. But for the back sleeve you have to cut the only first paper, front paper, to get the best fitting. See, this was your broad sleeve. Just try this one, you will be getting the good result. See, I'm just getting the first front paper of the sleeve, leaving the back side. You will get the idea why we are doing this whenever you try to stitch on the paper or the cloth. So this is the blouse sleeve and this one is the flora sleeves. Both the paper cuttings are ready. Now in the next class we will be teaching you the all these sleeves on the cloth, how to make these curves on more appropriately. See this, the side cutting, and see the all the shapes. Now this is how you have to make in your record book also with the centimeter notes. I will be sending you the pics of this, or else you can see from here and note down and copy this in your record book. It will help you in the further detailed studies. Thank you. So see you in the next class. Now we are finishing the class. Thank you.